had over 300 members, and this year we're expecting over 300 members again to come out to participate in the medical outreach. And as we speak, we also have a team of 16 medical doctors on ground, both for eye, blood sugar, medical, general consultant. So the doctor will be here to tell us more about that. But in general, we are expecting over 300 journalists to participate for today's medical outreach. Thank you. The event is commencing today, Saturday 16th, 2026 May. On Tuesday, on Monday, we have the health walk. We'll start from Julius Berger down to the council. So it's to tell you that it's a long week activity, and for us to walk from Julius Berger to NUJ FCT Council, it's way too long. That means we are fit, and we are strong. On Tuesday is the event proper, which is the lecture and award day, and we expect dignitaries, stakeholders. We are going to honor journalists who have contributed their quota, not all, but the little we can do, and next year we continue.
And as we are a hospital that use our mantra on compassion and trust, we are always out there to reach that everybody is healthy. And as healthy journalists, we also be able to work effectively in your various fields. So here today we have general practitioners, we have internal medicine specialists, we have cardiologists, we have surgeons here to assess your health and also make sure that everyone is healthy and fit. On behalf of the Nigerian Hospital, we say thank you for this opportunity, and I pray that we will have a great time together. Thank you so much.
A healthy journalist is the one who will be in better position to serve the country. And we know how tight and pressured our working environment is. Most of the time we don't have the space to even take care of ourselves. So we thank you for taking up this opportunity to come and have your health status checked. And this is the very first activity on the lineup for the Press Week 2026. We are expecting also a very large turnout on